Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys are looking at the title, you guys know what we're going to be talking about today. We're talking about Kaspa. What exactly is happening with Kaspa right now? I'm going to give you guys some technical analysis on that. So if you guys are enjoying these Kaspa updates, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button. But now let's get right into it. If we're looking at majority of the markets, we've been seeing pretty much green after green after green. But right now we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, within the markets for a handful of coins. You can pretty much see this for yourself, but let's not forget, if we're looking at it on the weekly time frame, things are looking absolutely amazing for the entire market. So if we're looking at Kaspa, it's down about 0.1% right now on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at almost 14 cents. If you round it up, it's sitting at 14 cents. We're also down about 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative, but Kaspa continuously is holding really strong. And yes, it's not seeing those explosive moves right now, which we're going to talk about right now. Looking at its market cap, once again, a great thing I want to highlight is the fact that the market cap continuously is holding above $3 billion mark, to be exact, $3.17 billion. Huge plus point on that. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $33 million. So far, so good. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So I want you guys to start off by, of course, covering Bitcoin dominance, seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. That's something, of course, worthwhile noting. But as far as Bitcoin is concerned, Bitcoin also is seeing a little bit of a pullback. And of course, Bitcoin is going to see a little bit of a pullback because the key resistance that we're currently testing is extremely strong. And that's totally okay. Totally okay. Bitcoin could take its time, to be quite frank with you guys, to get back into the 23.6. No rush at all. One thing you guys want to continuously give Bitcoin a praise over is the fact that we saw this massive move of 20% after breaking out into this 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, which I was talking about on a day-to-day basis. And I'm sure people are starting to realize the importance of that key level close. As soon as we close that daily candle, look what happened with Bitcoin. And I think leading up to Bitcoin happening, we could be pushing into the 23.6 Fib zone. But as mentioned in my bonk update, if you did watch that, what I'm personally projecting with Bitcoin is that, leading up to happening, we might see the prices push up, maybe not see an all-time high, but once the halving is done, I think sell the news event will take place, where we do see the market kind of cool off, and then off we go towards new all-time highs. But again, that's my own personal opinion. We will see what happens. So if you're looking at Kaspa right now, Kaspa is having a hard time breaking out of that key resistance level, which I've discussed with you guys, which is around 14.2 cents, give or take. And it's giving a hard time, getting actually above there. We've seen several wicks, not one, not two, not three, not four, several wicks above these key resistance levels, but it's just not able to hold above there right now, which is totally okay. One thing a lot of people are not realizing right now is the fact that since we broke above this key resistance level, which is at 13.5 cents, we never saw the price of Kaspa breaking below it. After you see these green candles, these massive green candles, it's really important for a project to find a ground and not just make its way back down the way it just rose up. And that is what Kaspa is doing. And what Kaspa also is doing is, it's not just holding at some certain level, it's holding at one of the key levels for itself, which is the all-time high territory. We cannot even stop talking about the all-time high zone, because on my channel, everyone does things differently, but me specifically, this red zone, I treat this as an all-time high zone. If you follow me on my channel from the beginning, this right here is where all-time high conversations take place. And believe it or not, if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, we're seeing the price of Kaspa holding in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. No matter how much rejections it's getting at the 14.6 cents level, we're continuously seeing it's bouncing back and forth above the 23.6 Fib support line. And you can literally see this for yourself, not only on the daily time frame, you can also see this on the hourly time frame. I'm liking what I'm seeing, to be quite frank with you guys. I think it's going to have its time, and especially showing the strength like this is something that should not be ignored, in my opinion. In order for us to see an all-time high, that is only a move of about 11%, only a move of about 11%. And if you know how things move in this market, it can happen very fast. So main target you want to be looking at right now is 14.8 cents, which was our yearly high for this year. You can see this for yourself. If this is able to break out, we're heading towards all-time highs. I'm very, very confident on that. And of course, layer ones, as you know, are extremely, extremely hyped up. Narrative is regarding, layer ones, as you know, that's my personal opinion. I think the entire narrative for this bull market is going to be layer ones and layer twos, and one by one, they're all having their time. And Kaspa is definitely having its time as well. I know before people, come and say, oh, Kaspa's not moving. Let me give you guys a quick reminder, and there will be. Now, if you guys are a Kaspa holder, you guys are probably wondering who in their right mind would say that. You guys would be surprised how many people still come and talk negative about a certain project even after having a move of about 50% in literally 2 to 3 days. But liking what I'm seeing, we're going to take it one step at a time. I like where it's holding. As long as it holds above 13.5 cents, I'm totally okay, but I'll give you guys an update tomorrow as to what happens. Love you all. Let me know down below your personal thoughts. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.